的节目吃什么
？I'm your host for today. I'm Venturingfoodie.
我是爸爸 boy 爸爸男，带你们一起去吃。
So where are we today, Baba Boy?
我们今天在 Kampung Ayer， 文莱的 Kampung Ayer。
Why are we here? What are we eating?
我们今天要去吃那个 glue。我最近在网上看到他们拿一个像筷子的东西，转，点一些三巴，点一些肉，然后拿来吃。那个马来人的 glue 可以拉的。
Oh, that's Brunei's national dish.
Yeah.
It's called Ambuyat. Right. So, didn't you grow up in Brunei?
我在文莱长大的，可是我没有吃过。
In your whole life?
No. 这样你有吃过没？
Yeah, of course. I'm Bruneian. I'm yellow IC.
你在哪里吃嘞？
My MIB class.
在班上吃素啊？你吃素啊
Well, they were teaching us how to make ambuyat, so we learned how to make it in class.
OK， 你讲到这样厉害，所以今天就是你带我们去吃Ambuyat。You
Kampung Ayer?
yes， Kampung Ayer， 他带。
I'm not quite sure where.
不知道，这样需要带我们去吃。Who where？
I know just the perfect place. 带你们一起 eat Ambuyat.
你是谁？
Who are you? Excuse me.
So this is the place. MAKAN ADRESTO.
Is there ambuyat here?
Well, let's hope so. Let's go in, guys. Let's go.
Wow. Guys, and we're at the restaurant. This is ADRESTO restaurant, and it's in Kampung Ayer. So let's welcome the guest for the day.
First of all, it's ADRESTO.
Oh.
ADRESTO. That's cool. My name is Hadi. I'm from the YouTube channel Fastingbro. Thank you to these two for inviting me here.
Oh, did we? I thought you just popped up.
Oh, thank you to these two for.
所以他的华语名，你们不会听英文的话，他的华语名叫做开斋兄弟，开斋兄弟啊。
Our 兄弟 here.
所以我们是兄弟们。So yeah.
Right. What is this?
So here we have the main hero.
Nah,
The
your
glue.
The glue.
Ambuyat.
Yeah, it's Ambuyat. We can call it the glue. Yeah.
So how is it made?
No.
I know, because my MIB textbook has told me everything. So, the lady just now used ambulong, which is a type of sago. And so you have ambulong, which is in the form of powder, and then they add hot water to it. You let it sit for a bit until the water has sort of been absorbed, slightly absorbed, and then you go in at it. So you stir it. So you stir it until it becomes.
You should do it.
Okay, this is the third one. Okay, so you stir it and then it will become this thick and gooey paste. And that means it's ready to eat, am I right?
Yes, this two little guy here.
Is it the 主角？
The Chuchang.
的主角叫什么？
The main star?
Actually, yeah, the main
Oh,
star.
is it? Oh,
So this is the hero. This is like the heroine.
Alright, save me.
So this one is a mix of tempoyak and binjai. So this is binjai only. You know, this is the Bruneian chopstick, and
Okay.
it's not called chopstick.
Oh, what do you call?
I know.
Okay.
So this is called chandas, correct?
沾的。
Yeah.
Ambuyat 的这个不是华人或者谁的筷子，它是叫 chandas 啊。
The difference with chandas and chopstick is that chandas is joined at the top. So you don't break it off, you know,
Yeah.
not your sushi restaurant, you
Yeah.
don't break it off.
今天 Fastingbro 会教我们怎么吃这个 Ambuyat。So when we did this, we have to turn like film.
Yeah. You know, like when you eat spaghetti, like the
Also, if we do it like just like this,
No,
it's
it's
not
not
it's
like-
rude. It's rude.
But it's not right. It's not gonna. It's not try it. Yeah, try it.
So make sure when you have
You don't
ambuyat.
look at that. It's
Okay.
So when you have ambuyat, make sure you have it right away after they've made it. So that it's hot is the best time to eat it. Hot.
Okay.
Doesn't really taste like much. There's not really a strong flavor or anything.
It's a mix of tempoyak and binjai.
And this is?
Binjai, yeah.
So this is the binjai only sauce. It has like quite a sour scent to it. It's sweet.
You need a good texture of the ambuyat as well. So sometimes the ambuyat can come out really bad, you know, from overcooked or undercooked. But this one I say it's perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
But I think the main star of ambuyat is always the dipping,
The dipping
sauce.
This binjai tastes like a bit durian, How come?
Tempoyak. Tempoyak is durian.
Oh, is it?
I don't eat durian.
So for the condiments, let's start with the daging kunyit here.
So
这是牛肉。
On the side here we have sambal membangan. Membangan is a mango family.
okay, so when do we eat these sides? So it's basically up to your personal preference how you want to eat it.
Yeah.
所以这个不只是拿不一样，也是可以这样子夹
Yeah.
那个肉来吃。
Okay, let's try the beef.
But the beef you have to dip with this, right? The mango.
That's up to you.
So I just had the beef and it's actually very tender. And I could, because it's cooked with turmeric, right?
Yep.
So turmeric doesn't really give it like there's no distinct turmeric flavor or anything. I feel like you really put it to turmeric. But I like the spices that it's cooked with. I'm not quite sure, but there's a bit of a spice. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I did, and I like the subtlety of the taste. It's not overpowering. And you know, sometimes when people cook kunyit,
Yeah.
it's too overpowering because kunyit can be displeasing on your taste buds. But this one is just like perfect. Yeah.
So, and you said this is the mango
Membangan.
membangan.
Yeah, sambal membangan.
酸，很酸，有点酸。这个吃了会很开胃，它酸酸辣辣这样。
My appetite is already open.
Yeah, I can see from your body size.
Here we have tahai. This is sambal tahai.
This is our usual sambal tahai.
This tastes like normal, you know, the nasi lemak sambal.
Yeah, like some nasi katuk place, they would use sambal tahai as part of the sambal. Yeah.
Sorry.
Sambal Thai with ambuyat.
Ambuyat.
那个感觉就是很像吃椰浆饭，跟它那个旁边的三巴
Yeah.
很爽，咬到一丝一丝这样，然后又咬到那个ambuyat软软像jelly这样，蛮舒服的。
So this sambal is it's not that spicy and it's actually more sweet than spicy. But what I like about sambal tahai is the texture that the smoked fish gives. So it's mixed with the chili paste. And then yeah, there's just a really nice, slightly powdery texture to it, which like Papa Boy said, complements the gooey texture of the ambuyat. Okay, the fish.
The fish.
What is it? Is it just fried fish?
Just fried fish, classic fried fish with another like soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yep.
试看这个鱼，这个鱼呢给我就有一点普通，就是普通的炸鱼这样子。我觉得别的 dish 呢就有它那个味道，这个就很像一个炸鱼这样子咯。可是也是好吃，也是好吃。
So this sauce is soy sauce and I can taste the sweetness from the calamansi line. Well, actually this is a very classic traditional Malay dish which is your ikan goreng and kicap, apa ni? What do you call it? Kicap.
Caca kicap.
Caca kicap.
Yeah. This is kangkong.
哦，干公，
Kangkong. Kong king kang.
空心菜，
Kong chai.
Yes.
Kangkong here is just like I think it's got like some, you know, belacan.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's got
belacan, so
belacan
shrimp
and then,
paste.
yeah.
Yeah.
空心菜。
I feel like you can't go wrong with kangkong. Yeah, this is a normal way of cooking, very simple. It's stir fried a little, and then with some bawang, some fried onions on top, a little bit of chili in there.
很清爽哦，这个吃下去好像。Yeah. Like after I eat all the dishes, I feel a bit like
Overwhelmed by the
well, then I eat
yeah.
this kangkong.
It's like a palate cleaner,
Yeah.
cleanser.
Yeah, yeah,
palate
yeah.
cleanser.
To wash it down.
To wash it down. Right, so you guys think of the food. Good?
So now we're gonna continue eating.
Yes, I'm eating.
Yes. We're done eating.
我们已经吃饱了，
So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it.
谢谢你们，然后要记得跟我们的 video 分享出去哦。
And let us know if you have tried Ambuyat before. If not, you can definitely come to this place. And thank you as well to our guest for today, Fastingbro.
Fastingbro.
You can follow him on YouTube. It's at Fastingbro.
If you've got any other cool Ambuyat place, let us know in the comment section.
Bye.
Bye.